All right, so I got this care package in the mail today, overnighted to me. I have no idea what is inside. Somebody reached out to me on Instagram, shout out to Mimi, and she sent me something. So we'll see what this is. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, and if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, it is at heskicks. Collective Kicks is where I post a lot of my sneaker deals every single week for those that are curious about that. But this is a random care package, and I really have no idea what's inside. I'm kind of nervous and excited, and I guess we'll see what this is. So, no words on what it was. Mimi just said that she was going to send something over, and that was it. So I actually sent Mimi a pair of these socks that I did. I only made 8 pairs of them, but I sent her a pair because she actually commented on one of my posts. I remember, and that's why I recognized her in the DM. Is actually she mentioned that she liked what I was doing here, and so when I made a small batch of these the other week, I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get your address, and I'll send you a pair. So I just sent her a pair of these. But yeah, anyway, let's see what she sent. Huh. This is interesting. We have a human race box. There's no label on the box. It doesn't say what pair is in here. Huh. All right. Well, let's take a look. What? What? Oh my goodness. This is crazy. No way. That is incredible. I'm blown away. This is insane. So they sent a new pair of NMDs out. I've actually never seen these like anywhere. So it gives a little bit of information on this card here. It says Pharrell Williams Hue NMD-Green. We're excited for you to be amongst the first to wear Pharrell's exclusive Hue NMD collection. The newest Pharrell NMD features an ultra breathable mesh upper, silver embroidered detailing spelling out human race in Korean. This is legit. So even better, like, I don't know if you guys knew that, but I'm actually Korean myself. And so the fact that I get some love for the human race and it's Korean, and this appears to be a look-see sample even. So it has like a look-see sample tag on it. I don't know if they're coming like this or if it's legitimately like a look-see sample. This is absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for sending these over. This is insane. I can't speak Korean. If you guys have ever seen my arm tattoo, it's actually Korean. It says my birth name. I found it on my birth certificate that I have, and so I actually used that to create it, just to remember the origins of where I came from, even though obviously I speak very American, and that's the first thing that people say when they hit this channel. Back in the day, I used to never show my face, so when I started getting in front of the camera more, people would leave comments like every single video, like, Hess is Korean, like he doesn't sound Korean. Like, so even though I can't read the Korean on here that says human race, it definitely has a special place for me because obviously my Korean background. This is super, super incredible. Thank you so much, Mimi, for sending this over. And this, I mean, I don't know when these are dropping. It doesn't have any information on that. And I never usually get hit up by this side of Adidas. Like, so this is such a cool feeling to be able to get something from them. I have about 6 pairs of human race sneakers in my collection still. This is the one that I had from the original pack, the tangerine colorway. And I love the fact that they're coming kind of back to the roots with the midsole and outsole of the originals, where they had a couple of the other pairs with the trail versions, and now they have these. This is nuts. I gotta see if I can FaceTime my collective Koreans like all together and show them these. A group of us from Collective Kicks that basically used to write for my site, now we're just friends and we chat on a regular basis, but they're all Korean too, so I think that they're gonna love and appreciate these as well. I just got this crazy care package and I was like, holy crap, I gotta share it with you guys. Oh yeah, Jen's probably not gonna join, huh? Yeah, no, I just wanted to share with you guys because I got this package in the mail. And
oh, you got the Korean ones, didn't you?
Man, why you gotta go there already?
I just knew it.
Is there a pair? Like, so I haven't even seen pictures of these yet. But
that's the pair that Wex got. Wex has the same pair.
Wex got them?
Yeah, Wex posted it like yesterday. Like Pharrell sent him that exact pair.
Yeah, that's Wexler's.
Is that the same one as this one?
Yeah, it's the
I'm
same
pretty
one.
sure.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Yeah. He
That's
got
right.
sent that too. As soon as James showed me, I was like, wait, it's the same pair as Wex.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Is it like a knit or is it mesh? I can't even tell what that
Yeah,
is
that's
on
the
top.
crazy
That's
thing. It's like
a
a
weird.
wide knit mesh, but it's like overlaid over top of a smaller mesh. It's crazy looking. Anyway, I wanted to share with you guys. I'll let you guys get back to your work. But
Oh man,
crazy, man. Collective
crazy.
Koreans. I'm taking this as a team win for us. This is incredible, man. What a great way to start the weekend for myself. I can't think of a better weekend gift or yearly gift than something like this, man. This colorway is super fire too. So just to give you kind of an overview of this sneaker, obviously the writing on the upper is really cool, how it says human race, but it's done in a metallic embroidery, which definitely like shines and pops quite a bit more because of that. It almost has like a parlay for the ocean sort of vibe to these because of the green-esque sort of nature, especially with that green color on the rubberized material for the laces. This is like a translucent green. It's like a jade green almost. Really, really nice color of that. And then as you work your way to the back tab of the shoe, you could see it's kind of done in a light blue color. And then it has a Pharrell Williams logo on one with Adidas on the other pair. The upper material is really dope too because it's kind of like a big mesh knit over top of a finer mesh. So it gives like a nice visual to the shoe and adds a lot of texture. The laces on here are white, have silver hits, but the extra laces are probably the ones I like the most. And it's kind of like that light blue color with a little hit of gray as well. So the insoles look very similar to the other human race shoes, but it's a muted color. It's not a bunch of different colors. And then you have that Adidas Boost outsole, but this one is not done in white. It looks sort of white from a distance, but it's kind of like a greenish color in hand. So it looks really nice in how it ties all the shoe together. And then for the outsole, you have that black NMD human race outsole that we have seen in the past. The inside liner actually has a lot of texture to it as well. It's almost like quilted looking, which is pretty cool, but it looks really nice and adds a nice little micro texture to the shoe. And I forgot to mention it, but the front section of the shoe right here has a different colored rubberized section versus the back. So you have that jade-like clear, and then the front has that blue color. I'm totally blown away by this. Thank you again for sending these over. Like, these are definitely going straight to feet and straight to the collection. Dudes, what the heck just happened? Thank you everybody out there that watches the videos and for the people out there that like have the control to be able to send stuff like this over to people like me. I'm just a dude that likes sneakers at the end of the day, and it's just been a crazy fun journey. And it's really, really crazy to get random acts of kindness sent over like this. Incredible, man. Just an incredible, incredible day. And hopefully you guys have an incredible day out there as well. Look for release information on this soon. I don't know when it's happening, but you guys know I post a lot of my stuff on Collective Kicks. I always post it on Instagram stories as well, so stay tuned to both of those places and we'll have more information. I'm sure more information is coming out. I just have not seen anything as of yet. We'll leave it at that, I guess. Thank you again for watching the video. Drop a major like on this video if you guys like this video. Lets the people know that sent these over that you guys appreciate it as much as I do. But I appreciate you guys as well. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video, and have a great rest of the day, weekend, and yeah, we'll see you guys back hopefully for some more videos. Peace, guys.